Chapter 3 Our Changing Earth Class 7th SST Geography Additional question answers. Multiple choice questions. An earthquake is measured with a machine called a Part B. Seismograph. Second, which one is the following is not a common earthquake prediction method? Part B. Children start crying. Third, the highest waterfall in world is Part A. Angel Waterfall. Fourth, Luz is found in Part C. Mountains. Sundew are Part C. Hill-like structures. Question 2. Match the following. Oxbow Lake. Part C. Work of a river. Stacks. Part D. Work of a sea waves. Glacier moraines. Part B. Work of ice. Sand dunes. Part A. Work of wind. Very short type questions. First, what do you know about the lithospheric plates? The Earth's crust consists of several large and small, rigid, irregularly shaped plates, either slabs which carry continents and the ocean floor. Question 2. How did the lithospheric plates move? They move around very slowly, just a few milliliters each year. Question 3. Define focus and epicenter. The place in the Earth's crust where the movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Question 4. Name the 3 types of earthquake wave. Answer. First, P waves or longitudinal waves. Second, S waves or transverse waves. Third, L waves or surface waves. Question number 5. What is a seismosphere? A seismosphere is a machine which measures the magnitude of an earthquake. Question 6. Name the scale on which magnitude of the earthquake is measured. Richter scale. 7th. Which earthquake is classified as a major earthquake? An earthquake of 7.0 magnitude is classified as a major earthquake. Question 8. Where is Victoria Falls located? Victoria Falls is located on the boundary of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa. What is a delta? The collection of sediments from all the mouths from a delta. It is triangular shaped landmass. Name some coastal landforms: sea waves, sea arches, stacks, and sea cliffs. 11th, how are glacial moraines formed? The material created by the glacier, such as rocks, big and small, sand and silt, get deposited. These deposits from glacier moraines. Name the two processes which wear away the landscape: wearing and erosion. Question 13. What does the process of erosion and deposition create? The process of erosion and deposition create different landforms on the surface of the earth. Short answer type questions. First, name the 7 important lithospheric plates. The 7 major lithospheric plates are the Indo-Australian plate, the African plate, the Pacific plate, the Eurasian plate, the North America plate, the South America plate, the Antarctic plate. Mention the work of ice. Glaciers are the rivers of ice which erodes the landscape by destroying soil and stone to sand and stones to oppose the solid rock below. Glaciers carve out deep holes as the ice melts. They get filled up with water and become beautiful lakes in the mountains. The material carried by the glacier, such as rocks, big and small, sand and still gets deposited. These deposits form glacier moraines. What are earthquakes? Write about them briefly with the diagram. When the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. The vibration can travel all around the earth, which are called earthquakes. ये डायग्राम है. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called epicenter. Vibration travel around from the epicenter as waves. Greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter, and the strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. Question 4. What are some common earthquake prediction methods? Give an account of earthquake preparedness. Answer. Some common earthquake predicts methods include studying animal behavior. Fish in the ponds get agitated, snakes come to the surface. Earthquake is a natural calamity which we cannot stop, but we can minimize its impact if we are prepared beforehand. During an earthquake, we should shift to safer place. We should hide under a kitchen counter, table or desk against and side corner of wall. We should stay away from fireplaces, area around chimneys, windows that shelter, including mirrors and pictures frame. Moreover, we should spread awareness among our friends and family members. Thank you.